Prime movers, not first but always fast mover. New innovation packing moving industry relocation world. Packers and movers, Kolkata, West Bengal. Packers and movers have become an integral part of business and residential door-to-door packers movers service. Unpacking by Professional. Best professional packers and movers, Kolkata, West Bengal. Hiring professional packers and movers will make your relocation so much easier. Professional packers and movers will ensure that all your belongings are safe. Relocation services, Kolkata, West Bengal. Relocation services, employee relocation, or workforce mobility include a range of internal business processes to transfer employees, their families, and entire departments of a business to a new location. Car transport services by car carrier, Kolkata, West Bengal. Personal cars transported in enclosed carriers. We are going all the way to stay ahead of the curve to meet our customers. Transport has been a leader in reliable nationwide car shipping services. Bike transport by two-wheeler body scooter, Kolkata, West Bengal. Our company is ensuring the complete safety of each of our customers' belongings. So, our associates will use high-quality packing material to save your vehicle and transport it safely. Commercial and household goods luggage transport services, Kolkata, West Bengal. Household goods luggage transfer services simplify your move further by using Pack and Send's expert packing services. Our team are trained in packing techniques to safely pack your goods for travel. Depending on your budget and requirements, commercial complex office factory industrial relocation shifting solution, Kolkata, West Bengal. A full roster of services and experienced project managers and crews give our clients unmatched resources to take on any commercial, office or plant relocation. Local transporter services within city, interstate and intrastate transportation, Kolkata, West Bengal. Get the best priced transport services in comparison to other transport companies, as they offer put forward affordable bookings to send goods at any location around the country. We are assured to provide the safest transportation services. Pet relocation services by chartered special vehicle, Kolkata, West Bengal. If this is your first time moving with a pet, you're probably worried about all of the unknowns. Our past clients remember the feeling, so they love sharing their stories of moves we've walked them through, even some very complicated moves. Goods storage, warehousing and CO working spaces available, Kolkata, West Bengal. Your warehousing needs. Our global footprint and extensive network means we have facilities ready to handle your supply chain, whether at origin or destination. Commercial vehicle, factories and transit insurance, Kolkata, West Bengal. Our team will work with you to create a commercial auto insurance program that meets your organization's needs and budget. We offer one centralized commercial fleet insurance policy to cover vehicles. Contact us on www.cargo.in, shifting@cargo.in, Indian Prime Movers @gmail.com, and mobile number 9405410002.